Welcome back, pet lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of feline hygiene with a product that's making waves in the pet care industry. Introducing the UPSKY Cat Litter Mat, the undisputed champion in the realm of litter mats. Let's talk about why this mat reigns supreme. First off, size matters. With dimensions of 35 inches by 24 inches, this mat offers ample space for your furry friend to do their business while keeping the surrounding area clean and tidy. No more scattered litter. But wait, there's more. This mat isn't just for catching litter. Its multi-use design means it can also serve as a shoe mat, welcome mat, or even a pet feeding mat. Talk about versatility. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, cleanliness. Thanks to its PVC material and anti-slip design, cleaning this mat is a breeze. Just flip it, beat it a few times, or rinse it with a hose for a thorough clean. Your floors will thank you. And let's not forget about our furry companions. The UPSKY Cat Litter Mat is not only effective at trapping litter, but it's also gentle and safe on kitty paws. Say goodbye to uncomfortable litter experiences. In conclusion, if you're tired of dealing with litter messes and want to give your cat the royal treatment they deserve, look no further than the UPSKY Cat Litter Mat. It's a game changer for both you and your feline friend. That's all for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more pet care tips and product reviews. Until next time, keep those kitties happy and your floors clean. Bye for now.